Hmm. So this is an interesting question. A bit difficult, actually. I remember a piece of art I saw that made a big impact on me was an image of a tiger in the woods. I've seen this a lot. It's a tiger in the jungle, and there's a bunch of green leaves and plants and trees around the tiger, and the tiger's just looking at you. I think this is a very popular piece of art, because since I was young, I've seen this same picture over and over. Maybe it's become a meme or something. So, for example, the time I really remember was when I was a child going over either my aunt's house or I was going over a friend of my mother's house. She was a single woman, and she had her house decorated with a lot of African jungle magic energy. She had the incense sticks, and she had, a bunch of wood things and witchcraft type things. I don't know. But I remember she had this very big poster of the tiger in the jungle. Maybe it was motivation for her. I don't know. But I'm sure in the future I will see this picture more often. Sometimes I click on photos on the internet and there's a meme like that. You know, you just take a look and see there's the raptor meme. I swear I've seen it. Or maybe I haven't, and I'm just crazy. But I feel like I have seen the tiger in the jungle, like it's gonna leap. Oh, it's from a movie company, movie studio. They make movies, and before the movie starts, there's logos of the production company, and there's one, the tiger is leaping out of the jungle. Yeah, that's where I've seen it. But anyway, it's made a big impact because from childhood until now, when I think of some impactful natural scenes in art, this is what I think of. People should reflect on how they feel about art. It's, maybe art isn't their cup of tea, but some pieces are iconic and they can affect one's whole life in some way or another. So, paying attention may be a good idea. However, if not, people may just live amazingly uncomplicated lives. They'll probably be satisfied with their lives, but I will say, appreciating art in different mediums, it does bring a richness to one's life.